How to fix security policy prevents the installation of this application error in Samsung mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option security and privacy. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on more security settings. Now scroll down and click on device admin apps. Now click on it, and if you turn on these buttons then turn it off. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on general management and then click on reset. Now scroll down and click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.